Hello. How to start a profitable poultry farm in Nigeria. A step-by-step guide. Are you among those prospective farmers that are asking this question? How do I start a profitable poultry farm in Nigeria? How do I start poultry farm? Any of the poultry businesses? Either hatchery, incubation and hatchery, parent stock breeding, layers, meat birds, broiler, broiler, and rest of them. If you're among them, I want to provide this particular guide for you to make a very good step today so that you can enjoy with others at the same time. Poultry farming is a highly profitable venture in Nigeria and any other country where the law permits, because it contributes to both food security and economic growth. Whether you want to raise broilers for dual purposes production, broiler for meat, or pullets for egg purposes, or you want to go for harder meat chickens like cockerels, this step-by-step guide will help you to make strategic planning very crucial for success of your business. I'm going to give you a comprehensive guide to build a profitable poultry farm in Nigeria. And if you are not in Nigeria, you can still use the same step to get it started in your own country. 1, please, training is very important. Undergo a training. Yes, with the social media, many people have turned to farmers. But remember that you must be properly trained in a very good, reputable farm by a professional. Videos from social media, YouTube, Google, Facebook, and rest of them is helpful, but may not be adequate for you to go into full-scale poultry farming business. Yes, the videos are there to guide you, but you must have a background knowledge, full background knowledge of what you are going into. Then the videos will now guide you to continue from there. So I will strongly advise you to go for on-site training. That is where you see things by yourself practically. Yes, some people can still pick up from online training. Anyone that is good, depending on your level of competence and understanding. Secondly, choose the right poultry breed. Choose the right poultry niche, the poultry department you want to go in for. Make up your mind. Before starting your poultry business, choose the type of poultry farming that aligns with your budget and business goals. Do you want to go into broiler for dual purpose breed, as I earlier said, for meat and egg production? Are you going in for broilers, fast growing bird that's raised primarily for meat, ready for market within 6 to 8 weeks? Are you going in for pullet, hen raised especially for egg production that start laying egg at most 6 weeks, 6 months, please? That is 24th week they have started laying. Some even start laying earlier, before 20th week they start laying egg, start dropping egg for you and start paying you salary also. Then are you going for cockerel, this hardy bird that grow too long, that waste much of time, hardy meat birds for slower growth and low profit? Or do you want to go into parent stock breeding and hatchery, breeding and selling their old chicks? That is, you want to buy incubators and start hatching eggs and have the birds that will lay fertile eggs for you. This video is also for you also. Or you want to go into feed production. That is, to produce daily nutrition for people that are into the business to buy. Or you want all-round circle of the poultry business where you hatch your own birds at the same time, raise the birds, use your own feed, everything within your farm. And accept and say to others, you have a very full circle of the whole business. Yes, your pocket will direct you. That is what you do during the planning process, selecting the niche. You can select either one of these or all of them if you have the financial muscle to carry them along. Secure capital and create a business plan. You can't do this without capital. Your business plan should include startup costs, land, where are you locating your business, housing, that's the poultry feed, vaccines and equipment. Equipment includes both feed machines, incubators, drinkers, feeders, cages, nets, and others. Revenue model, forecast income from eggs, meat, or other products. Marketing strategies of your poultry products is very important. Who are your target customers, including local retailers and food vendors, hotels and others, mama put and others within your environment? Who are they? What capacity, what quantity do they need on daily basis, so that you know how to strategize and produce what they need? You are not the only one. You have to make feasibility studies to know others, what they're supplying, because if you think you're the only one, they know. When it comes to marketing time, you see that you're not the only one. So you need to check all these things. Risk management is very important also. Planning for disease outbreak and fluctuation of feed costs, prices, and feed and other poultry usages like medications and others. Select a suitable location and building houses. That's the next stage. You choose a very good location that is well ventilated, secure, and accessible. These are the key considerations which you need to put in place. Deep litter or battery cage system, which one do you choose among them? Choose based on the breed of birds. Battery cage system is good. Deep litter system is also good. All of them have their profit, all of them have their merits and demerits also. Please, proper lighting, ventilation, and fencing is very important to secure your investment. They need light for security, they need light to eat, they need light to grow also. Ensure adequate protection and control for the comfort of your birds also. Source healthy birds from reputable hatcheries. Buy poultry birds from good hatcheries that are within your environment. Please don't go too far. If you have them within your environment, it is better for you so that you can get the best. It is also necessary because buying from far distance most times creates problems for you. Due to stress, you lose some of the birds on transit. Well ventilated and well vaccinated poultry birds are day old. You make sure that these farms are highly reputable and they can vaccinate their birds. Most are especially Marex vaccines that are given at day old. It's very important. So it is very important you make sure these things are in place. If not, you have issue. The next one is provide quality feed and clean water. Ensure that your birds eat quality feed. If you are producing your own feed, use a very quality feed formula to produce their feed. This will make sure that your birds are growing properly. For optimal growth and productivity, use balanced commercial poultry feed of reputable quality, or formulate your own using maize, soya meal, and essential vitamins and minerals. Ensure constant access to clean water and maintain a strict feeding schedule for your birds. This is how you can grow your birds very well. Implement disease management and biosecurity measures within your farm. It is very important. Please, once you start this business, you have some friends. Please, I want to come and see your poultry birds. I want to see your farm. I want to see your farm. I want to come in and see your farm. Please restrict movement into your farm if you want to succeed in this business. I've seen someone who used all his retirement benefits, invested into the business. Friends gathered, the whole place got affected, and he lost almost 7,000 to 10,000 birds within 1 month. The whole investment and even the money he borrowed, he could not afford to pay back the loan. It is very important you make sure you keep adequate biosecurities. Vaccinate your birds against common poultry diseases. Very important. Whether you are going organic or synthetic, vaccination is very necessary. Keep the birds and the environment clean always. Keeping the farm clean and limiting access to environment help you to prevent diseases or disease outbreak and contamination of your poultry farm. Monitor your birds and isolate sick ones immediately they are sick so that you can treat them and they will not infect others also. The next one is marketing and selling of your poultry products. Sell to local markets, supermarket and food vendors. This is how you can make profit. Use social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and others to advertise your product. Partner with distributors for bulk sales and give discounts so that they can patronize you more. Track expense and maximize profit. Keep your poultry farm profitable. Keep details of financial record to track all your expenses and your income so that you will not lose out of it. Reduce feed cost with alternatives like maggot farm and other kitchen waste. Take advantage of high demand seasons such as the holidays and all these festive periods for better sales. Starting a poultry farm in Nigeria or any other location requires careful planning, quality feed, and a strong marketing strategy. So by following all these steps I've given you, all this guide I've given you in this particular video, you are in the right direction. You can now build a sustainable poultry farm business with ease. Do you want more details on this? Please let me know on the comment section. If there's anything you do not understand here, please let me know on the comment section. If you like this video, give the thumb up right away, please. More questions, drop it on the comment section and I will attend to you and guide you more. Do you want to go into hatchery? Yes, let me guide you more. Do you want to go into feed production? We have all this equipment here. Let me guide you on the cost of getting all those things within your environment. Our Eco Boy Booster is still available. Liquid organic probiotic for your poultry health. It boosts the immunity and at the same time, this is food and serve as water, serve as food, and serve as medication. We still have our feed booster here. Wonderful product that boosts the feed. Commercial feed you're using, if they are not adequate for the growth of your poultry birds, you're having starting goods, use this to augment them and make sure they eat balanced ration. We have our Cure, Eco Bio Cure. This is a wonderful organic extract from seeds of imported plant and beverages. Help to cure, take care of coccidiosis. No matter the stage of coccidiosis, your poultry birds are dropping brownish color, whitish liquid, and stern vent. This particular product will clear it within 3 days. Only 3 days. If it doesn't clear it under 3 days, please call me. I will refund your money for you to clear and destroy any form of coccidia in their system. Your poultry droppings will become neat and stop odor from your poultry farm. You get maximum results. Coccidiosis is very dangerous for a poultry farm. Don't allow it at all to catch your birds. And it grows from stage to stage, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. When they start dropping blood from brownish color, they start dropping blood. When they start dropping blood, you start losing your birds, and you lose anybody you lose. Remember, a day old now is about 2,000 naira. As of that time, you bought it. Now, I don't know how much they're selling day old now. Don't lose any bird because of coccidiosis. Treat it in 3 days. Just only 4 meal per 20 liters of water. 4 meal, just small, this 4 meal. What I have here is 5 meal, just little quantity of this. This 4 meal for 20 liters of water. For only 3 days, you keep the remaining one. This is 100 meal here. 10,000 naira, you get it. Thank you for watching. And if you don't cure your coccidiosis in 3 days, call me, I'll refund your money immediately. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more performance and subscribe to our channel. Share the videos, please. Don't keep this video alone. Share it to other farmers. Bye till the next video is uploaded. Bye for now.